Things are cooling off a little bit. We had Jerome Powell that gave a speech and he answered some questions and everything. And he said at some point, the stock market is fairly high valued. Who are you to comment on that? You know nothing about that. So because of that, we are seeing a little bit of a move down today. Maybe this is not going to happen tomorrow also. We'll have to look. Tesla closed at $425.85, down $8.36, 1.93%. Post-market down a little bit more. So we tried today to break 440. 440. We broke it yesterday, temporarily, came back lower. Today, we stopped right smack on it. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. We opened right smack on 440. We opened exactly at 440.04. And then we came back down, and then towards the rest of the morning, we went higher, smack on support, right? Smack on this support right here, higher. Powell spoke, then boom, we came back just a little bit lower than 426.47, recovered above, and now we closed below. So, you know, this is not looking good short term. We have no stochastic over 60. When you have no stochastic, any move up that you see, you should not believe it. So even if we go a little bit higher tomorrow on the 1 hour chart, it's not to be believed yet. It needs to do some stuff in order to start believing in it again. Just like what happened right here. We were here over 60, then we had a drop, stochastic below 60, then we spent an hour there, and then boom, we had a new candle, stochastic was above 60, boom. Stochastic over 60 is so important, guys. So important. You don't really believe it. It's not too bad. We are at 426.85. There's no stochastic. This is the part that is concerning a little bit. If we take a look at the daily chart, on the daily chart, everything is good. We still have stochastic, we still have the MI, we still have our bullish reversal indicator. So the problem is not on the daily chart. The problem is short term on the 1 hour chart. We don't see signs that we are going to pull up yet. Maybe this is going to happen tomorrow morning because something is going to happen tonight or early morning. This remains to be seen. But this is okay. This is okay. Everything is okay. We just need to position ourselves differently. That's it. Taking a look at the VIX, continuing higher, we are up 0.59, 1668. So climbing and climbing, still below 17. It's still not too bad, but let's just keep an eye on it. Dow Jones, again, right smack on support. Tried to go higher, was failed, and now is back on support. SPX, look at this, same thing. I had to redo all of the lines. I did a nice cleanup on this chart right here. This is a lot clearer. So right smack on support. On support, we are supposed to bounce, so nothing bad here. NASDAQ, nothing bad at all. All of our indicators are still bullish. We have a red candle, that's it. Russell trying to break 2467, broke it during the day, came back below at the close. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. So we have very few green, lots of red and lots of black. Gold continuing higher after breaking its bullish channel resistance. The rate of ascent is not fast enough, so right now we are into a steeper rate of ascent. Let me just jot it down. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is what I am going to do during my Trendline Masterclass. I'm going to give you the theory and I'm going to draw lines, speaking out loud, telling you why I'm placing the line where. So you will learn a lot. So this is the current rate of ascent so this is going higher. Silver also, this is the rate of ascent of silver. We had a bit of a breakout yesterday, 1455. Very nice move. Bitcoin, we are right smack on 111,940. No stochastic, this might not go back up this soon. Ethereum still holding above support, 4,091, still above support. No stochastic. Let's take a look at some Tesla news. So Tesla is having its first and last good quarter in a while. This is from Fred Lambert. This is interesting. For the past 3 years, the first quarter, we have been going lower and lower each year for Q2, and Q3 we tend to go higher, so maybe this is going to continue in Q3. This is what Fred is saying. Also, Wall Street firm makes shock move for Tesla Q3 delivery production. The company should have strong deliveries in the US as Tesla pushes and consumers take advantage of the $7,500 IRA EV tax credit before its expiry at the end of September 2025. So Wall Street firm UBS lifted its Q3 delivery forecast for Tesla to 475,000 from 431,000. Big move. UBS believes there will be strong deliveries in the US, blah, 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 blah. Interesting. Also, we are hearing about a more affordable Model Y right here. This is what this looks like. It's hard to tell pretty much anything. But what we see is that there should not be any glass roof and also smaller 18-inch wheels with tire pressure monitoring systems removed. I don't know if this is allowed because I think in the US it's mandatory after 2007. On the inside, the changes go a bit further with no screen in the rear, a simpler audio system, a basic fiberglass headliner, less interior lights, simpler seat controls, and removal of puddle lights found on Tesla's other models. So I think this is welcome. This is just a trim. You can get a base, a limited touring in mini cars, titanium and all of that. So I think it makes sense that Tesla does something that has a little bit less frill. It's still the same car with the same battery and the same full self-driving. So yeah, a little bit of a pullback. That 440 is hard to break. We'll see tomorrow. We'll see tomorrow if things recover a little bit and if today's down move is just caused by Powell's speech today and people could be forgetting about it tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. Don't forget my Trendline Masterclass. Trendline Masterclass, October 12th. Right here, you can go in the description below. And if you want to become part of our Discord server where we discuss stuff, head to the YouTube memberships, you click join, you go to the private Discord server, and then you get access to a whole bunch of things. Have a great evening, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.